Gurmies. Listen to this then. It was on the good ship Venus, by Christ you should have seen us. The figurehead was a whore in bed and the master of Edmund Penis. The captain of this lugger, he was a dirty bugger. He wasn't fit to shovel shit from one place to another. Friggin' in the rigging, friggin' in the rigging, friggin' in the rigging, it was fun for us to do. Captain's name was Morgan, by Christ he had a gorgon. 10 times a day sweet tuned his play on his fucking organ. The first mate's name was Cooper, by Christ he was a trooper. He jerked and jerked until he worked himself into a stupor. Friggin' in the rigging, friggin' in the rigging, friggin' in the rigging, there was fuck all us to